channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making a nacho cheese hamburger. I don't know what to call it. I guess you can call it nachos. Okay, so to start, we're going to be needing some cheddar, a lemon, sour cream, some lettuce, some garlic and parsley, onion, pink Himalayan salt, some rotel, I have the chunky brand, 3 avocados, some nacho Doritos, this is pepper, and some taco seasoning. You're just going to use just a little bit of that, some ground beef, the kicker, y'all, some beans. Now, I know y'all going to be like, what? Beans? But stay with me on this. I promise I will not do you wrong. And some Tostitos cheese. All right, my creators, let's get it. Okay, guys, so how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing great. I am doing great. I cannot complain. No one listens anyway. Y'all know that part. Okay, so I'm going to put my ground beef in. And that is a great grade of ground beef. Y'all, normally I do not. Excuse me, let's wash my hands. Normally I do not get this grade of ground beef, but it was on sale. And I was like, why not? But I'm not built like that for that type of ground beef. But to each his own, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to put my seasonings of choice. That will be salt. That was pepper. Here I go. Salt for pepper, apple for oranges, and oranges for bananas. Y'all, I'm something. Some Himalayan salt. And then I have some minced onion. Some garlic and parsley. And then we're just going to brown this meat and we're going to talk, you guys. We're going to talk. We're going to talk. Now, don't mind this pan that I have it in. You don't have to have this grill pan, you guys. I just have this pan because, to be honest with you, it was right there. And I didn't feel like fishing out the other pans. So, there's my truth on that. Okay? So, you want to make sure that your ground beef is seasoned. Okay? Throw a little bit more Himalayan salt in there. You guys, if you haven't tried Himalayan salt yet, go ahead and try that. I promise you, it will not disappoint you. I'm putting some paprika in there. Yeah, I always put stuff in there before showing y'all. I know that. If you watch my videos, y'all know that. Okay, so I'm going to put in just a little bit of the taco seasoning. And that's because the taco seasoning is really salty. And you guys know me, I don't like really salty stuff. So I just put just a little bit in there, okay? Alrighty. So we're going to brown this meat up. How you guys been doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I have just been getting ready for fall classes that's coming up. Preparing myself for that. And preparing myself for Mr. Daniels Jr. first debut to school. It's his first year in school, y'all. So I've just been preparing myself for all of that. Okay. So, y'all know, well, you don't know, but today was a Sunday and I did go to church. And what good is the word if you don't spread it around about the Lord's grace and his faithfulness, you guys? I'm just going to give you a quick, simple quote on what I got from church today. And that was, even when you're not faithful to the Lord, his faithfulness is always with you. You guys, I promise you, with everyone's life, you go through troubles. If you don't go through troubles, then you're not human. And when you see someone else's life, you think, oh, everything is all together, always. You guys, that's not what it is. Everyone has their situation. Everyone has their troubles, you guys, whether you see it or not. The celebrities have their troubles. Everyone has their troubles, you guys. And sometimes we forget to lean on the Lord for strength because we don't know what to say or what to do at the moment. But he hears your cry. He hears your cry. And you guys have to stay firm and faithful to know that he hears you. And when the pastor said that today about how the Lord will always be faithful to you even when you're not faithful to him, that right there really took me out. Because sometimes I feel so overwhelmed with certain things that I feel like I can't cast my worries on him, you guys. And just know, you cast your worries on him. You do. Because at the end of the day, he is the bigger and he is the great I am. And every knee shall bow and every tongue will proclaim that he is the Lord. Jesus Christ and Savior, you guys. So that's my little word today. I hope you guys are continuously believing in yourselves and knowing that you can do it and put your mind to whatever it is you want to do. I don't care if it's a step of writing something down. Get it done, create that vision, and follow and execute, y'all. You're going to have your failures. That's life. But as long as you get back up and keep going, that's all. That's all. That's the key. That's the key. That's why in every one of my videos, I always say slow and steady wins the race. Because it's always going to be something. I don't care if you're rich, poor, or indifferent. I'm dropping meat out my pan. But, okay, y'all. So, that's enough with the chitter chatter. I have my meat nice and brown right there. I'm going to open up my beans. Put in my beans. And here I have the brown sugar hickory beans. Now, I know y'all probably feel like I went left field with this. But I promise you, trust me on this. My best friend, my husband, they told me, man, it's been a long time since you made this. And you guys, I don't know how I came up with this, but I just did one day. And if you think about it, it's only pinto beans. It's only pinto beans, but it has that sauce of the baked beans and Bush's. I mind you, I don't use nothing but Bush's baked beans. You can't get a better bean than that, in my opinion. But it's just the sauce that changes everything. Give it a try. Don't knock it until you try it. Don't knock it until you try it. I promise you. That's why my channel is called Tisha's Creative Cooking, because I do things in a creative way to where it'll be like, oh, well, I've never seen that before, you know? So just give it a try. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. This is a good appetizer. It's a good snack. You put it out and tell me what people think about it, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of my other ingredients prepared, because at this moment we are pretty much through. But I am going to show you a few more things before we put it all together. So just let this simmer while you're doing your other ingredients. And that's just cutting up the certain things. So I'm going to put this on low, okay? So we're going to go ahead and mix this avocado spread. Avocado. Okay, so I'm going to remove the pit. Okay. And I know some people spoon it. I just go ahead and pinch it and it just comes out. If it's a ripe avocado, it'll just come right out like that. Okay, pinch it come right out. I'm making a lot because I really hope that we get all to it before it gets bad. I think we're gonna take care of it. So, and you guys, when it comes down to it and you're actually removing the pit of the avocado, I just want to show you guys properly how to do it. What you're doing is just twisting, okay? I know I had pointed it down just before, but you know, some people don't know how to do it, and I want to make sure that they don't hurt themselves. I ain't new to it, I'm true to it, so that's how I do it sometimes. Okay, so this is a lot avocado. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna take a fork here and go ahead and mash it up. That's all you're doing, is just mashing it up. Okay, and for me, I'm gonna put in some garlic and parsley. About a tablespoon or a teaspoon. Sorry, about a teaspoon. Okay. That looks really good. Smells really good. And with avocado, you want to make sure that you put just a pinch of salt or so in it, because you know you won't taste it really if you don't. You can in some things, but you have to really dress it up sometimes. Okay. So some people use lemon, some people use lime. I'm going to use lemon today. You know why? Because that's what I have in my house. I don't have a lime right now, so we're going to use a lemon. Okay. And that looks really good. Just make sure. I like to keep some big chunks in there. Anybody else out there like to keep like big chunks of avocado in that stuff? I really do love avocado. I do. And I think this is it. Easy peasy. That's good. Has a really fresh taste to it because of that lemon. Okay, you guys. Let me go ahead and get this lettuce. We're going to shred up some lettuce and then we're going to put it on. Really nothing special here. I am just literally shredding this lettuce up. And that is all I am doing. Okay? Nothing special. That's it. So let's put it together. I have my Doritos. And Doritos is a game changer when it comes to doing nachos like this. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to do Doritos. And then, y'all know how I feel about presentation. So we're going to make this as pretty as possible. We'll put our beef and bean. Beef and bean spread down. Okay. Right. Then after we do that, we're gonna, what we gonna do next, y'all? Let's see what we're gonna do next. We're gonna do the cheese sauce next. Okay. Look at that. Now, if you have somebody that you're cooking this for and they don't really like vegetables, you could probably stop right there. But we're going to keep going. We're going to put our lettuce on top. Okay. This looks so good. I'm going to put our lettuce on the top. And then, that's what I did. I left out an ingredient because I didn't know that I was going to be putting this on there. But I'm going to go as far to put some jalapenos on this bad boy, because this is a loaded party today. All right. Then we're going to put some guac on there. I think we're just going to put that right in the middle. Right in the middle. We're going to put that guac right in the middle, just like that. Okay. Right in the middle there. And then on top of that guac, put, yes. Now, you know we're going to go back and put some more sour cream on there. But just for this video, we're going to leave it just like that. Okay? Then I'm going to top it off with some cheese. Okay? And I think that concludes it. You can have it, my creators. My version of the Doritos nachos, you guys. Nachos. All right. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative quick meals. Until next time, my creators. Again, my name is Tish, and I get it in the kitchen, baby. Y'all be blessed and have a safe